Bobbi travels with her family to Benalmádena, Spain for a summer holiday. Early one morning, she wakes before sunrise and notices large beach cleaning tractors carefully grooming the sand. Curious, she asks why they do this. She learns the machines help keep the beaches clean, safe and welcoming for everyone. Later, she meets local children playing on the beach. One of them is Mateo. Mateo explains that while machines clean the sand, people also help by picking up litter and protecting wildlife. Bobbi joins them. Together they collect rubbish, recycle plastic, protect shells and sea life, and learn that caring for nature can happen in many different ways. They meet local community leaders who encourage children to protect the coastline. Bobbi realizes that every country has different ways of caring for the environment. She shares ideas from home while learning new ideas from Spain. Soon their friendship grows. Schools from both countries begin exchanging letters, songs, artwork, and environmental projects. Children realize that although they live in different places, they all share the same ocean. End with a joyful celebration on the beach featuring children from many cultures singing together as the sun sets.